What up, my Mavericks? Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. As you can see here, I have an unsolved Rubik's Cube, and I'm gonna I'm gonna see how long it takes me to do so, and you guys can watch with me and enjoy. So, first of all, you need to have a look at it and stuff. A little bit rusty, sorry everybody. And there we are, solved. Thank you everybody, subscribe for more content. That took a little bit of a while, but thank you everybody, and make sure to make sure to do something with your life, okay? Thank you, that is it for today, and goodbye fans, forever, no, for today.